In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove apps from your Shopify store. This process is straightforward and can help keep your online store clean and efficient by getting rid of any unwanted or unused applications. Whether you're decluttering or simply trying to streamline your operations, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps. First, let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This panel is your gateway to managing different aspects of your store. You'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Apps. Doing so will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage all your installed apps and sales channels. Once you're on the Apps page, take a moment to review the list of apps associated with your Shopify store. This list provides a comprehensive overview, allowing you to see which apps are currently active and available for use. It's a good practice to periodically review this list to ensure every app installed is contributing positively to your store's performance and customer experience. When you identify an app that you want to remove, you'll need to pay attention to the three-dot icon situated next to each app. This icon acts as a drop-down menu, offering more options related to that specific app. Click on this three-dot icon for the app you've decided to uninstall. A small menu will appear, and you'll want to select the uninstall option. This choice signifies your intent to remove the app from your Shopify environment. After choosing to uninstall, Shopify will prompt you with one final confirmation message. This step is essentially a safeguard. Shopify wants to be sure you're certain about removing the app. Review the confirmation message carefully. Sometimes, apps may have data or custom code that impacts your store, so it's good to be informed about any potential changes that might occur post-uninstallation. Once you're comfortable with your decision, go ahead and confirm the uninstallation, and there you have it. With the app now removed, your Shopify store is one step leaner and potentially running more smoothly. It's worth noting that routinely managing and auditing your apps can help improve your store's overall efficiency and user experience. By keeping only the essential applications, you can also enhance site speed and reduce the likelihood of any app-related conflicts. Remember, keeping your Shopify store optimized and up to date with only the necessary apps is crucial for maintaining a professional and seamless operation, ultimately benefiting both you and your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Shopify managing.